What's up everyone, welcome to the new video. I've taken a short break 1 week, but I'm back now, and I'm back with a brand new 10 jailbreak tweaks working on iOS 13.5. Disclaimer though, I asked a question to my YouTube community. I was tempted to update to iOS 14 or iOS 14.0.1. I've decided not to. I'm waiting the jailbreak for iOS 14 on the other device. I have my iPad, which is on iOS 14, and iPhone XS Max. But for now, on my iPhone 11 Pro, I'm sticking with iOS 13.5. So I want to thank everyone who actually told me to do so. We have 10 jailbreak tweaks. Perfect jailbreak tweaks, very nice jailbreak tweaks. Let's start right away. The perfect one and the awesome one. Number one is battery plus. You can do all sorts of things with your battery. You can put fake battery. You can set screen shutdown time if you want. You can disable saving the battery. You can have fake charging. You can have battery alert, what I did at 50%, and many other things. Very cool tweak, free one. We'll have today few tweaks from the Lite repo. Very nice repo, go ahead and check it out. The first one is Butterfly, and this tweak only customizes your cursor. So as you can see, my cursor is blue, and if I select certain words, you will see that the selection is also blue. You can change this in the settings anywhere you want. You can change the cursor color, you can change the highlight color, which I just showed two blues. The scroll indicator on the side, as you can see, is also blue. You can have status bar pill color, also it's set up to blue, but you know, you can do whatever you want. Dove, another amazing tweak, free tweak, which is similar to those tweaks like length or springtomize, just it's more to the point. It has fewer options, but all these options are pretty good. You can customize the grid switcher. You can have it as a grid, the app switcher as a grid or as a list. It's up to you. You can remove, you can even, you know, have it to pull down to kill all app. You can hide the names or the icons. On the home screen, you can do all sorts of things. So download bar, you can enable the rotate button, rotation of the screen, which I did, and it looks like this. Maybe not the best option, but you know, I like having this rotation thingy enabled. You can hide labels app, you can do many things. I've hid the background color, as you can see. I don't have any background color on my folders, etc., etc. Pretty awesome tweak. Additionally, you can customize control center. As you can see, they are like rounded. I have percentage in my volume and brightness. What else do we have? Notifications. You can remove, you know, that all notifications when you put down the notification center. On the lock screen, I've enabled auto unlock X. If you remember this, when it automatically unlocks, and you can have nice any text you want. And below, as you can see here, so it automatically unlocks when it says me, but you can see that I have customized text here all the time showing instead of my unlock text. The next week does this on your YouTube app. Look, when I scroll it down, like I have my increase or decrease the volume. It's indicator that it's working. However, when I scroll on the top, as you can see, the brightness goes up and down. So this is pretty cool, pretty amazing tweak. Let me just increase the brightness, and you can see in my settings, this is the easy YouTube free tweak, awesome tweak, which basically ports the video VLC player gestures to your native YouTube app. So the next one is iGotBlind. When you cannot find any app on your crowded device with many folders, you just can use iGotBlind tweak, you know, when you invoke this. So I can type Cydia, for example, and I can type Cydia, I can just hold it like this, and it says find me. I do this, and you can see it shows you small animation, opens the folder and shows you where the app actually is. Juice is a super cool tweak recently published, It enables you to customize your battery percentage. As you can see, my battery percentage is pretty neat. I have 46%, but I have this rounded indicator of my battery, and you can select several different styles. However, I have the paid version, which is $0.99, and you also have Juice Lite, which has fewer options, right? So you can show it in Control Center. When you do it like this, you can still see it. Then you can hide the default percentage. You can press and hold to respring if you want to enable it, and you can double tap it for low power mode. So this is pretty cool tweak. Juice. Next simple tweak is Juno. You can just enable it, disable. There are no other settings. So this tweak just enables low power mode. As you can see, it got yellow when you press on your battery. So this is the only thing this tweak does. So when you go like this, so you don't need Juice for this. You also have in Juice, as I showed before, but also you have in Battery Plus, so you don't have to use all these 3 tweaks. But if you just want this function to enable low power mode by tapping on battery, Juno is enough. Another super cool tweak from Lite repo is Koi, K-O-Y. So it just has one simple option. You can set up the alpha here, which is for this little menu. So when you press and hold, your application, your 3D Touch will get this options here, but it's gonna be in the color of the app. So if I do it, for example, on Instagram, it's gonna be, everything is gonna be reddish, right? If I do it for Telegram, it's gonna be like bluish or whatever. So this is what Koi does. Now this is also super awesome tweak, Puck. Now, so this tweak enables you to save your battery. So many tweaks have done the same thing or the similar thing, like Sentinel, for example. I've shown it in one of my earlier videos. Also, Smart Battery does something similar like this. This one enables you to enable deep hibernation or deep low power mode at certain percentage. So you see, I set it up to 7%. So when it reaches 7%, the phone will barely use the battery, so I can, reach the place where I can charge my phone if you're in this situation. Also, when you reach 10%, it will wake up. So this is very cool tweak, very cool if you want to save your battery. Also at 10%, I'm gonna get notification that at 7%, I'm gonna be going to hibernation mode. The last one for today is Twitter Chic. This is just for fun of it, and this is the main function as far as I can see it. You can enable it, of course. You can change the, composing the tweet button in the middle or to the right. You can enable voice tag feature if you want in conversation, and this is pretty cool for me. You can customize and trick your friends how many followers actually you have on Twitter. So I don't know, I have like 800 followers. With this, I've put like 96.4, so when I go to my Twitter profile, you will see here that it's 96.4K followers. So people might think that I'm like some super awesome celebrity or whatnot, which I'm not, of course, but it's fun to do it. You can also customize the colors in your Twitter application, and you can also customize the keyboard colors. I didn't do any of this, I've just enabled 96,000 followers. That's it, super awesome, the latest, fresh out of the Jailbreak kitchen, 10 jailbreak tweaks for your viewing pleasure. Please comment and let me know what you think.